Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how we can show percentage of running total in pivot table. So let's take an example here. This is my data. I click on insert, go to pivot table and create a new pivot table in a sheet. Now for example I want a monthly data because it's a 5-year data, so I drag the order date here. I remove year from here and quarter from here, only month will be there. So I assume that this is an year month only, so I'll just take the total here. This is showing me the total. If you want running total, you can show here running total by just right clicking on that, show value as running total in order date. Order date means here is month. So this is the running total. You can see we have a running total for January total, January and February, January, February and March. These all running total are coming. I'll drag one more time total here and I can convert into a percentage of grand total. So this is coming as in percentage. If you want cumulative, which is a percentage of running total, you can drag one more time, say percentage of grand total, and then I think no calculation is required, and then we'll click on percentage of running total in. So that's an cumulative percentage. So this is a simple collection month wise. This is a cumulative collection. This is a simple percentage contribution by each month, and this is a cumulative percentage which is called percentage of running total. So I hope you can take advantage of this example. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep watching, keep learning.